Dumpster rental service in Lake Charles, Louisiana. If you need a fast, easy, and dependable dumpster rental service in Lake Charles, Louisiana, look no further than DumpIt.Biz. We've been helping customers with their cleanup projects for years, and we know how to do it right. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out a rental property, or handling a construction site, our dumpsters make the process hassle-free. We offer various sizes to match your specific needs, ensuring you only pay for what you use. We focus on convenience, so delivery and pickup are always on time. We know your schedule is essential, and we're here to help you stay on track. Our team provides helpful support from start to finish, guiding you through the rental process and answering any questions you may have. When it comes to customer care, we go the extra mile. Our dumpster rental service is built on transparency and trust. There are no hidden fees or surprises, just dependable service. You'll appreciate our clear communication and commitment to keeping your site clean and organized. Contact DumpIt.Biz today at 337-552-5009 to reserve your dumpster. Let us take care of the mess so you can focus on your project. We make waste removal easy and stress-free.